Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. The topic of the today video is to provide the solution of the question number 5 of subject Advanced Accounting with subject code 0444, and it is related to Bachelor of Commerce BCom and BA under the examination system of AIOU. So its total marks are 20 and it is related to the autumn 2022. So it is assignment number 2. So let's start question number 5. Then we will read the requirements associated with this question number 5, and then we will discuss the solution of each uh, requirement or task of this question. The Canon Company has a branch in Hyderabad, and the company invoices goes to branch at selling price, which is cost plus 25%. From the following particulars, prepare branch account and the goods sent to branch account in the books of the Canon Company. So this question is related to the branch accounting, and here you have to be noticed that the goods are invoiced at some percentage plus cost. Here in this case, the 25% plus cost to its branch, which is located in Hyderabad. So as per question statement, two requirements are associated with this question number 5. One is to prepare the uh, branch account, and the other is the goods sent to branch account. So I am going to show you the solution after discussing this information given in the question. So stock on uh, 1st January 2021 at invoice price is 15,000, account receivable is 1100, 40,000, goods sent to branch at invoice price 67,000, cash sales 31,000, credit sales is here given 37,400, and discount allowed to customers rupees 300, bad debts written off 250, check sent to branch for salaries, and branch expenses 6,700, stock on 31st up to December 2021 at invoice price 30,400. Cash collected from customers as receivables is equal to 40,000. So let's move to the solution which I have done in Excel. So let's move the solution. Before going to discuss this one, please correct this accounting title, which is I have mentioned a branch stock account, but it is branch account. So we have two requirements. One is to prepare the branch account in the books of the Canon Company, and then we need to establish the goods sent to branch account. So first of all, please correct this one. I am going to be correct this one, branch account. So come to the position opening stock. Please stay with me for a few minutes. I will come back after Azan. Thank you for staying with me for the few minutes after Azan has finished. I have come back. So after this page, you have noticed that the size of the screen has been little bit increased. Before it is 100%, now it is 140%. Now you can easily see the text and its related figure easily. So branch account, before break I told you that please correct this one as a branch account before it is branch stock account. So please correct this title branch account. So opening balance of stock is equal to 1st January 2021. Two information is given regarding stock and account receivable 15,000 at invoice price, and account receivable goods sent to branch account 670,000 at invoice price. And this is a calculation that I have done here to stock reserve account closing unloading, and guess this one this is the stock that we have sent to the branch. So this two transactions are interrelated. So this is the unloading. No, this is sorry. This is goods sent to branch account and invoice price, and this unloading is here, which is related to this 67,000 amount. So stock reserve account, it is related to the closing Unloading, it is related to the stock account, and here is the stock reserve account for opening stock unloading, which is related to this 15,000. So because we are going to be find the profit after completing this account, branch account, so we need to be find the profit at cost. So that's why we are going to make adjustment together along with the original entries or information given to us. So, cash remittances for expense only salaries for 6,700. This side is completed 102,780. So before I am going to show you that how I will read this figure and this figure. So 1, 2, and there's another one, opening, closing, and this three. So how I am going to read this one? Please remember that is 100 plus 25 is equal to 125, because as per the given information, invoice price is 100 plus 25% cost. So I assume that the cost is 100, so plus 25% is equal to 25 by 125 is equal to invoice price. So to get the value of the unloaded unloaded uh, portion of amount in the this figure 67,000 or 13,400, I am going to be multiply 15,100 by 25 and then divided by 125. Again I am going to multiply this amount 67,000 with 25 and divided by 125, and the same is process is related with the opening stock reserve account. So after that I am going to tell you uh, the next uh, element of this account by cash sales, which 31,000 given in the information, by stock reserve account related to the goods sent to branch account, and then closing balance we need stock 13,400, and here you notice that it is coming from the debtor accounts or account receivable account, which is a balancing figure. I will show it in coming few minutes. So this is our balancing figure or shortage. You can label it as loss. So it is loss 33,730. Now the second requirement is related to the establishment of goods sent to branch account. So first is by stock, not by stock, two, to stock reserve account, unloading, which is related to this amount 113,400, and 53,600 is our balancing figure, which is go to the purchasing account to reduce the cost of goods sold. Now this is the debtor accounts. So opening balance is 11,400, sales is 37,400, which is previously a credit sales. So cash collected from customer 40,000, discount allowed is expense 300, bad debts written off is expense 250. So this is a balancing figure of account receivable that will transfer to the branch account here. So in this way we have established three accounts: branch account, goods sent to branch account. It is essential to calculate the cost of goods sold. So it will be go to the purchase account, and the third one is debtor account, which is also uh, established to find out the balancing figure of the balance brought down of the this account receivable. So I hope you will find this solution useful, and the request is here that if you found any mistake or error regarding the calculation, please highlight in the comment section. And further, if you want to share some information or want to add some information from your side, please drop your opinion and suggestion with arguments, with logical arguments in the comment sections. And the discussion is always open for all persons on any topic. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.